life is fast, but what if your home didn't have to be? Imagine a place where everything slows down. This is Nagpur Marina Phase 2. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Nagpur Marina Phase 2 developed by House of Abhinandan Lodha in Nagpur. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, sizes, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी भी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ एंड विच विल रिजल्ट इन टू मेनी फोन कॉल्स. वेल यू नो नीड टू वरी नाउ बिकॉज हाउसी में ऐसा नहीं होता क्योंकि हाउसी में हम आपको कनेक्ट करते हैं सीधे डेवलपर्स के साथ बिकॉज यहाँ लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. सो वाई टू वरी, बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी. Now let's start with the project overview. And this is a villa plots development spread across 78 acres of massive land that offers you premium lifestyle. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on ORR in South Nagpur, where Samruddhi Mahamarg is just 5 minutes away from our project. Mihan is 10 minutes away. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport is 15 to 20 minutes from our project, where you can connect to IBFC in just 10 minutes, and Higma MIDC is 20 minutes away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and House of Lodha offers you 40 plus world class amenities with 5-star Miros hospitality, which includes a grand clubhouse, 5-star hotel, 3 acres of artificial beach, garden, kids play area, amphitheater and many more. Now let's discuss about the plot sizes, and there are different sizes and dimensions of plots available in the project starting from 1250 square feet, 1798 square feet, and additionally many more sizes are available in the project. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. That is, our EOI window is open. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual location, that is actual land parcel of the project as well. Or else you can also connect us on Zoom and Google Meet and do the virtual site tour. Then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token by paying 99,000 only as an expression of interest. The best part that we are open with flexible payment plan, and you'll get the possession of the project by December 2027. So everyone, this was a teaser of Nagpur Marina Phase 2 in Nagpur by House of Abhinandan Lodha. If you're looking for more details of this project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.